Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to integrate MailChimp with a ViralPLR product. The first step is to click on step 1, click here to set global settings. Next, where it says your personal autoresponder type, select MailChimp. Click on save global settings. Now that's saved. The next step is to click on change settings next to the product you'd like to promote. You'll now see a field here called yourmailchimp.com form action URL. To retrieve this, what you need to do is log into your MailChimp account. So here I am in the MailChimp dashboard. Firstly, you need to make sure that you have a list. I would highly recommend that you create a new list for every ViralPLR product that you own. This way you can segment it and email to particular lists or segments of your list instead of having all your subscribers or leads in one list. So click on create a list. This is where you set up your new list. The first field is list name. You need to create a list name. Make this a meaningful name. In my case, I'm going to call it this product here, Rapid Traffic Secrets, or something related to it. So I'm going to call it RTS for Rapid Traffic Secrets. Next, insert the default from name. This is where you put in your name or whatever name you'd like to use as a sender. The next field is default reply to email. So any emails you send out and whoever replies to the email, that's where the email will go to. Default subject is optional, and you just want to fill this in where it says remind people how they got on your list. In here, I would simply put something like that. You can also receive notifications here and change how people would like to receive the email. I'll just leave everything unchecked here and click on save. Now it says your list was created. In this section here, you'll see all your lists that you've created. Looking at the list that you just created, in my case it's RTS321, click on Forms. You'll now be taken to a page where you can create the form. You see down below here, this is a sign up form. We can simply ignore everything and just click on Save and Exit here. Next, there's an option called Share It. Simply click on that. And now you see this page here. What you want to do next is click on this Create HTML code for a small subscribe form. Now you'll see a page called Create Form Embed Code. What you need to do is look into the copy, paste into your site area here. This is the code. You want to simply copy it to a text editor or Notepad if you're using Windows, or you can use a word processing editor like Microsoft Word or Pages for Mac. So I pasted it into text editor in Mac. Next, what you want to look for is a form action area here. Highlight the URL between the quotation marks as shown in this video. Yours might look different because of different account names and IDs. But basically what you want to look for is the URL. Everything else can be ignored. Next, I just want to copy it and go back to the ViralPLR product access page and then click on change settings. Now in the area where it says yourmailchimp.com form action URL, this is where you want to paste the URL which you copied. So now it should look something like this. Next, you want to save settings. Click on Save Settings button, and now it's saved. Now any leads that you generate will be stored into your MailChimp account for that particular list. That concludes the video tutorial on how to integrate MailChimp with a ViralPLR product.